What's up, you guys? It's Lauren and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Bye.
So today I'm going to be doing a review of some sneakers that I got from pandasneaker.ru. I believe that's how you pronounce it. They have so many different options on their site and I picked out the cutest pair that I'm so excited about. I can't wait to wear these around. I am going to include all of their info down below in the description box so you can see how to shop. I'll have my code and all of that jazz. I'm also going to include a screenshot that's going to be right here of their website so you can see what it looks like, make sure it's the right thing, and yeah, let's get to the unboxing. So first off, I want to talk about the quality of this box. One, it is huge and just look, so cute. So cute. It has like this kind of felt fabric. I love that. It has all the info on the side about the shoes, and I just love the box in general. I'm probably gonna keep this just to like store things in because it's so big and so cute. So when you open it up like this, inside are the most beautiful sneakers. Dun, dun, dun. Look how beautiful these are. Like, I love the smell of new sneakers. The quality of these sneakers is absolutely amazing. They have so many good options on their site, but these ones, I was like, I think I need to get these ones. I love how there is the fabric right here on the Nuki swipe. What's a Nuki? I love the fabric right here on the Nike swoop. I think it's so cute and it's like a little designer inspired, which we love. We love a little Dior. They have a little tag that says Dior. The stitching is amazing and I just love the color of these. These are like a really great option for everyday wear. You could wear these with a dress if you want to like make it look not so fancy, but you could also wear these with some jeans and look super swaggy. I'm also going to show you guys a few different ways to style these a little bit later on in the video. So in your box you have the sneakers, obviously. I'll show you the other one. So you have the sneakers in the box. Love that. That's like the most important part. So what's also really great is they send you this bag full of literally everything you could need. So first off, it has a little Dior bow, which is like so cute. So if you wanted to give this as a gift, you could wrap it in this bow and make it look all cutesy, like when you give someone a gift. I also feel like I can make this into like something for fashion. Like I could make it like a headband or something. I don't know. I feel like I could do something cool with this. They sent me some Nike socks, some Nike Air Jordan socks. Who doesn't need more socks? I know I do because I lose mine all the freaking time. They send you a dust bag to put the shoes in when you're not wearing them so they stay in tip-top shape, and there's 2 of these for each shoe. I know I'm like obsessed with keeping all of my shoes like in really good shape. There's no creases, they're really clean. So I love when I get bags like these that I can put them in so they keep smelling good, smelling fresh, looking good, and clean. So we have 2 of these. They also send over soles for the shoe. I don't really feel like I need to put these in, but I guess they can offer more support if needed. It's toasty in here. Whew. They also include these little Dior bags that you can put your little chain in. I love that they send this little keychain because it has like the Air Jordan and then it has the Dior. And I believe you can put these on the shoes too. I don't know if I'll put these on the shoes. I might put it on my car keys, honestly, because it's just really cute. But they also give you this little pouch to hold it in, which I think is super handy. There's actually more than one pouch in here. So I think this is just great to have some extra pouches if you need it for bobby pins, whatever you may need it for. They also send a different color shoelace in case you're wanting to switch it up. So the shoes have a gray shoelace, and then they also sent me white that I can use. I like the gray. I think I'm gonna leave it just because I feel like it helps tie in the whole shoe together. But if you're wanting to do some white, you have that option too. So they include a lot of stuff with the purchase, which we love. We're getting our money's worth. I seriously am in love with these shoes though. Like, look how cute. It has the Dior Air logo right here, and then it has like a monogram Dior all along this. I also love the bottom of the shoes. Like, look how dope that is. That is seriously so cool. And on the other one, it has a different logo, and I just think it's so cute. I think this like is super swaggy. Like, just to know these are on the bottom of my shoes, I'm like, feeling like a baddie. Thank you so much to pandasneaker.ru for sending me these. I absolutely love them. If you want to get some cool kicks of your own, make sure you use my code that is listed below. I'm also gonna put her right here. Here she is. She's going back and forth. Now I am going to do a little montage and show you guys how I style them. And now we're going to cue the montage, everyone. Everyone, so those are some of my favorite ways to style them. I did a few girly looks, a few more casual looks, a little business casual look. There's so many different ways to style those sneakers. Again, make sure you go check out their site. They have so many cool, fun things. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it that you watched my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see all my fun and exciting videos. Also, make sure to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and comment down below what you think of the sneakers. Or if you just want to say hey, be like, what's up? And I'll be like, what's up? I'll see you all next week with a new video. Bye!